The 2024 Ducati Multistrada V2 has arrived with an upgraded design, powered by the brand's latest 890cc twin-cylinder engine, which first debuted in the 2025 Street Fighter and Panigale V2. Compared to its predecessor, the new model is a remarkable 18 kilograms lighter, tipping the scales at a claimed 202 kilograms in the S variant when not factoring in fuel. Set to be available from January 2025, it also boasts a slight increase in power, now reaching 113.4 brake horsepower at 10,750 RPM, up from the previous 111 brake horsepower at 9,000 RPM. While peak torque has shifted from 72.3 pound-feet at 6,750 RPM to 67.9 pound-feet at 8,250 RPM, thanks to the inclusion of variable intake valve timing, promises a smoother ride. This engine, which requires valve clearance checks every 30,000 kilometers, weighs 54.9 kilograms in Multistrada trim and is covered by a 4-year unlimited mileage warranty. Ducati has also incorporated a heavier crankshaft and a new generator system, providing more power to run electrical accessories like heated riding kit. From 3,500 RPM to 11,000 RPM, 70% of the peak torque is available, which ensures smooth acceleration with less gears shifting. The Multistrada V2 also features shorter first and second gears, along with an up and down quick shifter, designed to enhance the riding experience. The Multistrada V2 is available in both standard and S variants, with the familiar 19-inch front and 17-inch rear wheels. However, the 2025 version adopts some styling cues from Ducati's larger V4 models, with a more aggressive, beaky nose and broad, flat LED headlights inspired by the Panigale V4 and Multistrada V4. The height-adjustable front screen has also been refined for improved aerodynamic performance, reducing fatigue on long journeys. The bodywork has been designed to direct fresh air to the rider's legs, helping to manage engine heat for better comfort. The tail section of the V2 has been redesigned to give the bike a sleeker look, with a shorter pillion grab handle and repositioned top box and side cases, allowing for more passenger legroom. Additionally, the rider's seat can be adjusted between two settings, offering a height range from 830mm to 850mm, with optional accessory seats that allow adjustments between 810mm and 870mm. The base-spec Multistrada V2 is equipped with 45mm upside-down Marzocchi front forks and a Sachs rear shock, both fully adjustable. In the S variant, Ducati's Skyhook suspension provides electronically semi-active suspension, with the seat lowering to 790mm for improved accessibility, though it won't adjust automatically as on the V4 model. Both the base and S versions feature a road-focused 170mm of suspension travel, regardless of whether the suspension is electronic or manually adjustable. The bike's frame is built around a new aluminium monocoque structure, supported by a redesigned steel trellis subframe and an aluminium double-sided swing arm. These updates contribute to a slimmer profile, making the bike easier to manage at low speeds and more comfortable to handle at a standstill. The bike's contact points around the knees and thighs have been redesigned for better control, and Ducati claims a dry weight of just 199 kilograms in the base version, without fuel. As expected from a modern Ducati, the Multistrada V2 comes with a full suite of electronic aids, all controlled via a refreshed 5-inch color TFT display. It offers 5 riding modes, each with configurable settings for power, traction control, anti-wheelie, and engine braking. Cruise control comes as standard, and there are options for turn-by-turn navigation and a coming home function that keeps the low beams on briefly after the ignition is switched off, making it easier to see in the dark. The Multistrada V2 combines performance enhancements with comfort features, making it a versatile and capable adventure bike for a variety of riding conditions.